It is 9:42 right now, Monday morning. Today we had PMI at 8:45 around an hour ago. I was really bullish today on Russell, and then I was also bullish on NQ. We're gonna go and check out NQ later in the video as well. Um, Today on Russell, I was bullish, and you guys see this trade up here, and you're like, bro, Dan, this is an A plus setup, and you didn't take this shit. What is wrong with you, bro? Let's go over it. This morning, obviously, we had market open right here with this, whatever this is called, vertical line. Yeah, hell yeah. Regardless, vertical line. All right, shut up. All right, we had market open. Price ended up coming down. We ended up getting this 1 minute inverse for value gap right as market opened. We never saw a retracement. We never saw a retracement into this. Anyways, regardless, we ended up having an entry right here. I wanted to enter right here at 8:37. The reason I did not enter the trade was because of 8:45 news, which was right here. And actually, 8:45 news did not mess up the market at all. Right after news, a lot of people entered long. Market ended up going long. We ended up getting our first retracement. We ended up retracing from here all the way down to this 50% mark. From that point, we swept these lows right here. We didn't have any fair value gaps right here on like a low time frame, but on the 15-minute right here, we had this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Price ended up coming in that, and now we're gonna end up going. This was my target zone. This daily bearish fair value gap. So regardless, that's what ended up happening today on IWM. Didn't end up making any trades today because of that. I wanted the lower retracement for the 3-minute, but at the same time, if price ended up coming into that point, I was looking to take the trade from right here to right here. Looking at it now, obviously I should have done it, but regardless, bro, I'm not gonna hold myself back on like, hey, I should have done this, I should have done that. I'm just gonna, whatever I do or did not do is what I'm gonna be going off of, not what I should have or should have not done. Let's go take a look at NQ really quick too, and then I'm also gonna pull up my notes for today. But yeah, I mean, I'm not mad about today. Like today, honestly, was a really good day. I should have, to be profitable, I need to make money on days like today. Today was a really good day. Market open. All right, so this is NQ right now. NQ actually ended up being perfect, bro. If we take a look at this on the 5-minute, at market open, obviously, so 8:45. Let's look after 8:45 because obviously this was my entry. Okay, let's look at NQ in the long term. So we are trending up. We are fucking way above all-time highs right now. Regardless, we're bullish. We're bullish. I still would have been looking for longs. Like obviously the all-time high strategy is just keep going long until it goes short. Obviously that's like the reason I'm not really trading NQ right now either, because it's at all-time highs. Regardless though, on the 5-minute today, so I was looking to go long. We had price come up. At this point, we ended up forming a high. We had equilibrium down here on the 5-minute. We would scale down then. On this point, look at this retracement, bro. Shit. All right, leave it right here. We ended up retracing almost to the 75% mark. Regardless, though, on the 3-minute, we didn't really have anything to format an entry off of here. Besides that, we were just retracing into equilibrium. There was no fair value gaps. I mean, I guess you could say that we took out this liquidity, but I wouldn't even consider that really. Regardless, price ended up coming up. That was a pretty good trade right at the 75% mark. That's why I didn't really just want to pull the candle, on IWM and just enter right on IWM right at that 50% mark that we had. I wanted to see a lower retracement. Regardless, retracement opportunity, we had one. We had a 15-minute fair value gap. Price ended up respecting it. Probably going to go into this bearish daily, and price will fall down lower after that. But regardless, bro, no trade day. Losing week last week. It's been tough, but we definitely been making a lot of progress, learning a lot. Hopefully you guys, when you guys watch these videos, bro, you guys actually can retain some of this information that I say, bro, and be able to use it to help yourselves in your own journey. But yeah, bro, other than that, I mean, that's about it for today. Pretty simple day. We're gonna probably go chill. It's snowing outside. Okay, real quick, yeah, let's go over the notes. So these are my notes too for today. So we never ended up catching an entry. Would have entered long if not for 8:45 news. With if we click on here with this candle right here, retracing into that 1 minute. That would have been my entry. Regardless, I was waiting on the retracement, but as we see the price retrace back into the 15-minute fair value gap, could have entered based off this, but I was waiting for price to respect the 3-minute fair value gap. Like I said, respect this, not this. One thing I do realize though, to be profitable, I need to bang on days like today. Bang. I need to, bro. Like really badly. But I'm not forcing bullshit. Like I didn't force the trade today. I held out. My bias was correct. There is nothing about today that I should be mad about besides just not entering. But at the same time, we have to realize we didn't really get that entry opportunity. At a point, let me pull this guy. Let me pull this up. I'm gonna keep all these right here. But at a point, I almost wanted to enter right here. The only reason I didn't want to enter right here is because I thought that price was going to end up maybe forming a high like right here, coming down from here, retracing into that. That's what I was looking for. We did have a really decent opportunity right here from, I mean, what is this? How does this look on the 5-minute? See, that's the thing, bro. Check this out. So on the 5-minute scale from the initial retracement, this is how it almost looks. So we had price make this move on the 5-minute. We had price come down only to the 75% mark, fill this fair value gap, start going back up instead of going down lower, which happens some days. There's nothing I can do. The market's going to move the way it's going to want to. But yeah, I hope you boys did enjoy the video. I will catch you on the next one.